I copy my Right, do you
Okay.
wanna ping everyone in an announcement? Should be good to go.
We we are live. Smile. What are we going over? We are
Going over community ticket requests from our members.
drop a like if you joined. Smile.
Smile.
Okay. We should probably give it like a few minutes.
Yep.
Let me get water.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome back. Alright, let's give a moment for everyone to filter in.
Are we ignoring the things already in the newsletter?
Yeah.
Okay.
People want the newsletter. They can open the newsletter. Alright, let's get started then.
Yeah.
Ticket requests. Alright, we can start with the top. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla made absolutely no progress last week. Big momentum on Thursday, but kind of sold it back off on Friday and it's back in the range now. Probably needs over, what, 720,
9.
729-ish. Yeah.
I mean, it's just
730.
retesting the flag, so it's fine. Kinda. Not really, but
Not really. No. As long as it doesn't break 714, there should be okay. It's basically over 730. I would have a bullish bias. Other than that, if it loses 714, you can see a move back down to like 700 again. Oh, okay. Microsoft. I already covered this on last week's newsletter. But it's pretty much breaking out of this flat top, whatever you want to call this flag. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Should ultimately see like 300, especially if tech cooperates this week. So definitely watching that. Should definitely lead the SPY a bit too. But we had a really strong day on Thursday, a really strong day on Friday. Okay.
Wish does not look great.
See. It's hard to tell since after earnings it turbo died. But it's never been this low before, so there's nothing holding it
Kinda
up.
only going down, guys.
It looks like
I don't know, I guess you could play the gap.
It looks like it retested the previous bottom at like 7, like back in June. Kind of rejected.
Yeah, it's not looking too hot.
Needs over 7.7 to maybe find it up to like 8. Okay. Not looking great though, that's for sure. Take a look at SoFi next. SoFi.
Also collapsed.
Did it have earnings? Yeah, it did.
The TV's just not showing it?
Yeah, trading view is not showing. Okay, well, at least it's not as bad as Wish.
Kinda looks worse. If it loses this.
It loses this, yeah, but at least it didn't lose it yet.
I mean,
It looks like it wants to, though. If we close under 14.6, under 14, this thing is actually flashing to like low 10s.
Jesus. I mean, it's fine if you buy it here and then have a stop loss at like
14.
20 cents away. Not bad.
I think it can hold like IPO it at 14, right? So if it holds 14, in theory, it's okay.
Earnings went down because of the student loan portion of the business due to the Government Care Act. Oh. Not looking too hot.
That's not like.
I mean, if it's just because of that, maybe it'll bounce. But
I mean, SoFi made a lot of money off of that, so. Alright, next ticker it is. We have Apple. I think it's on the letter.
is it? It's just in a triangle.
We'll look at it really quick anyway, so everyone else cares about Apple. It looks like it broke out, right?
Didn't trigger my alert for
yeah.
the triangle, but it's close.
If you use
I
the
was gonna put it on
wicks,
next week.
if
Or
you use
last
the
week,
wicks,
sorry.
it wicked it and it didn't
Oh,
break
rejected.
it. We didn't close it. was like, what, 10 cents off? Yeah. As long as it can break. It looks like it wants to break this time, though. Or it can do one more like that.
Tech features are fine.
That looks like...
Everything else though? Nope.
Alright, open. Their earnings are actually pretty good. Open, actually makes surprisingly decent amount of money.
Only down like 30% of my shares. It's fine.
They, don't look that great post earnings. This, Friday candle is kind of a big rejection. But we are holding like this 17 area, which is pretty big support. As long as, we can hold like right here, it should mostly be okay. You can see it going back up to 20. In terms of long term, I think this company is actually not bad. So,
If it breaks though, oh my god. Breaks 18.6 or whatever the high was. Those wicks. It's looking kind of good.
looks not bad. You can set an alert on this actually.
Yeah.
It would do levels and set alerts on the here. Right, FCX. This was on the newsletter last.
Yep.
It didn't do anything, did it? It kind of
Yep.
moved.
It triggered the alert and didn't move.
Rejected, yep.
Well, it hit the first target, I guess.
If it can clear 39.5, should kind of move. I guess it filled the gap like formally because the previous wick didn't actually fill the gap, so it filled it this time. And it died. I don't see much unless it breaks, yeah. PGRE, Paramount Group. This thing looks clapped. What? Wait, this ticker only goes down.
What ticker?
PGRE? Would not bother trading this thing. It doesn't even move and it has like no volume. 600k volume? Okay.
There's no OI. There's no OI on the contracts. So
Not really sure. EGP. This actually looks okay.
do you see the volume?
Yep. 148k. It looks not bad.
I mean, it looks good, but you can't buy it, so
You get a 4-point move?
wow. 200 OI.
Yeah, I would not. There. MMM? 3M
Wow.
looks actually kind of cool. The way this
Those last
ticker
two candles. Clap.
The way this ticker moves too, it leaves so many wicks and like a bunch of like random up and down moves. HVN? Oh, mediocre. I don't really see anything on this ticker. CRM. This candle looks kind of clapped. If we gap down on CRM, it's actually dead.
But if it breaks though, it's fine.
Yeah.
Probably all-time high if it breaks, but doesn't look like it's breaking.
We rejected this level twice already. See if I can do it. It looks like it's doing a kind of like extended flat top thing. Maybe if we do get a break, that looks like a triangle. Maybe if we break. Pubs. This ticker, I know you basically can't buy it. It's like one of those like low float, super expensive things. Actually looks okay.
It only goes up though.
It actually looks pretty.
90 to 700 from COVID? Wow.
The company is like decent.
What is that OI? Like the call to put ratio?
See.
Everyone's trying to short it.
Ooh.
Wait.
Ugh.
Wait, everyone lost so much money. Okay, there was
You know
definitely a
what
sweep.
You know what it is actually? It's probably just hedges.
Like, oh, true, because you can't even buy options probably.
Oh yeah.
There was definitely a sweep yesterday or on Friday. What the? That's half the OI
2K
for
volume?
September.
Doesn't even look like it's moving that much to justify that sort of sweep. Like the chart doesn't look bad. Anything, it looks like it's setting up more leg up to 6, like. $685, $690? Good.
HPQ looks clapped. Actually shortable though.
Hubs can do 700. HPQ has
Send it
earnings
to like
this week?
20.
Or has earnings next week?
Wait, this thing wedges like every week. You see
Kinda
this?
does actually.
Okay, this is
No
going
way.
on the watch list.
It only makes triangles and wedges. If it loses 27?
Wait, this looks so fun to play.
What's the OI on it? Actually decent OI.
Yo!
You can look at HPE as well, but this thing doesn't look as clogged. But they run together because it's technically like the same company. Technically? If HPE loses down to like 8, 10, doesn't look as good
Yeah.
though. Okay, Lulu. Oh. It technically hit my target already, but it can do 420. Kind
I
of
don't even wanna look.
a failed attempt at a hammer on the daily, but it needs to break out.
We should probably limit people from sending 30 tickers.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways. Cat?
I mean,
Held
it
POC.
looks fine if you can
That's
break
it.
222.
Yep.
Ubo, I did that. Finish gap filling the earnings gap.
It
This area is
bounced,
like
kinda.
unreadable. This area has so much like shit in it.
Yeah.
Like Baba clapped.
This thing gaps every other day, so you could like coin flip it.
Oh, okay. Um, looks like it wants to go down though.
Snap 2.
Disney, it's really hard to tell after that Friday's earnings candle, but probably wants to go. Dash actually looks pretty good.
Agreed.
If it
Wanted
breaks
to
out
put it
here, I
in
can
the
do it with my
newsletter.
letter.
Yep.
I wanted to put it there.
We set alerts, right? I think
I think we
it's
did.
in there.
T-Doc is not doing anything. 150. Zoom also kind of clap. Zoom has big issues with the 400 level. If it can hold 355, right, that's where it is. If it holds like right here, it's fine. I can chop around in a bit more. Roku, oh, that's on the thing. D-Dog looks pretty good. Over 135, we can do one. Twilo, not seeing much tradable. And Twilo contracts are garbage, so really wouldn't trade that.
Nice tweezer though.
No. I think it just trades in a range here, so you can technically buy at support right here. So your stop like 14 points down, I guess. Like 350. POW also trading inside a range. It looks like it's making a big try.
The OI is kind of crazy though.
As earnings Monday, I think.
Like it's almost all calls.
So just see what it does after earnings. You can look at Shop. Shopify trading in a range up here. It looks like it's making a diamond.
It needs one more pop for a diamond, I think.
Yeah. It looks like it's starting to make.
Where'd my diamond go? Oh, hold on.
Yep.
Yeah, we have like 2 weeks left in the room.
Kinda can do it. Moderna? Hard to tell. It looks like it's holding here. Needs to hold over 400 to be bullish. As you can see, we're selling off. This thing ran really hot and was super extended. Noya turned red too. Probably would be bearish, but the thing is, like, it's really news based and it's kind of squeezy, so see what happens. Lemonade collapsed.
Ooh, yikes.
Lemonade is going back to
61.
60.
Yeah. It's not looking too hot.
This company's also not that great. After that earnings swap, I can see a lot of people deleveraging out of Lemon. Avco looks okay, but it needs to break. 495. Otherwise, it's just gonna chop her.
Yep.
Tech, nothing. Going sideways. It's kind of narrowing. I guess this is the big one.
Looks okay above 24.
It's kind of.
Juniper?
This ticker is untradeable.
Looks kind of good.
It
Look at the weekly.
it always looks good.
Okay, look at the weekly. Are we not breaking out? Please, let this be it.
If it can move over 30, it can go back to all.
Send it back to what? 240?
Oh, okay.
Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Back to
Kinda
240.
gas.
Okay. Yeah. Realistically, over 30, you can 540 again. McDonald's? McDonald's actually looks pretty good.
Yo.
Got a nice bounce. I think this is the 618 of the most recent move, too. Or it's the 236 of the most recent. Over 240 looks okay. CVS. Ooh, those candles.
That's a no.
That is a no.
Might bounce though, like $2 away.
82. If it bounces 82, you can catch it. As long as
I don't
retail
know.
looks okay.
When it bounces, it doesn't move, so.
No, that's not real. Alright, Roblox. Also looks kind of collapsed. This hammer is okay. If we can clear 87 again. 87 again, it's probably fine. NVIDIA. Hard to tell at this point, actually. It looks like it wants to go up though. It has earnings Thursday, so might just move around sideways for a bit. Wing. Flapped. End phase. Flapped. I actually want a short end phase. I can do 160. Because I have it finishing 5 waves up.
CLSK, just move on. There are
Wait,
definitely other
end phase
tickers you
actually
can
looks
play.
really nice.
Which one?
End phase?
Oh, like,
EMPH?
yeah. What are we
Look at-
watching?
Look at run. Nothing else looks. Same thing with like 10.
Looking at CLSK. Callie's next request, and don't really know.
That's getting a no
What we're
for
looking
me.
at.
Maybe like 11.
Maybe in a few years when it breaks out of this year-long wedge.
Send it back to 150.
Oh
See that?
yeah. Yeah. When it had 420 volume. Or
Yeah.
25k, never mind.
Okay, DNet not worth looking at. Spy. Already
In the
know.
newsletter.
We looked at Microsoft and Uber. Oh, we can look at Uber. Kind of
Clapped.
I think it's actually dead.
Breaks 41. Actually, no, I have to zoom out. Down.
Yeah, if it breaks
Imagine being back at IPO price.
if it breaks here, back down to like
36.
37.
37. And backs.
That's on the thing.
Team. Can't even play it because of OI, but Jesus, that gap.
Looks like it's flagging up here though.
Yeah,
See what happens.
still haven't
EMC,
learned on it, but
nothing.
still nothing.
Kubo, dead.
Already went over that.
Docu needs over 300 to find like 340. The big thing is
308.
it needs over 314. Yeah.
Got to. Yeah, when it does break though, 340,
Eventually,
333.
yeah. I have 346. Yeah.
Facebook.
Facebook looks okay. Yeah.
It's about 366. Whatever that wick is. Then he can finally fill the gap.
Yep.
On.
I like hot.
Retesting. Kind of.
Kind of. Really needs over 235.
Might test the bottom of the demand zone.
At
It looks like it wants to break.
228? Yeah.
Yeah.
This doji gives me hope. Can reverse here.
JP Morgan. Banks look
Pretty bad.
kind of collapsed. But I don't think it breaks the past two weekly candles. Whatever the close and open is.
Doesn't break 37 on the left.
Yeah, 37 point. I don't know what this weekly is. It's different on every bank.
Yeah, it is.
It's kind of cringe. JP Morgan weekly looks awful though. Like, it wants to go down.
See that reversal pair on JP Morgan too? Thursday, Friday? Ugh. It's even worse than the ones on like GS. The Wells Fargo engulfing is awful too. Morgan Stanley actually looks okay though. Out? Nothing. If it breaks here, back down to 220.
You just skip Spotify?
Yeah, it's on the thing, isn't it?
No, it's in the alerts, but not the
Oh.
newsletter. But yeah, it's
It looks
pretty
dead.
obvious what it is. Etsy. Huh. Etsy's kind of whatever.
Can it make another diamond here?
That's not what I was gonna say, but like I didn't want to say it. I mean like the right side. There's also no middle. So
Yeah. If it makes another diamond here though, this thing is actually going to zero. Like,
I like the company though. Whatever.
company should make a lot of money. I mean, their earnings are pretty good. And the nice bounce? Probably back up to the highs.
Agreed.
Proud. Yeah, up.
Crowd, yep, move on.
Marvel.
What's Yum?
Yum is like
What the-
Taco Bell and KFC and shit.
Wait, this thing mooned. And it looks like it's gonna moon again. I'm
144.
gonna send an alert on Yum.
I can do 144. If it breaks 136?
Yeah. Let's do whatever this fib is.
Yep. Walmart looks actually kind of good. It finally moves. Let's see what it does at all-time highs. As long as it holds 149 bullish. Walmart. TLT. Back up to 150. Nike. Nike looks pretty good. That's a nice hammer on Friday. That is nice. It's just so like extended now though. $178. TQQ is just Q's XM. There are better things to play, but it looks like it wants to go up. Edit.
It's a nice W though.
Not bad, Joe.
DMB. Edit? I don't know, you play this.
Dude,
I don't play
look
health.
at it.
Oh, what happened?
I'm telling you, this is why you play a stock. It only goes up.
Okay. Why didn't you play it?
I did.
Oh, okay. Play it above 66, I guess. Oops.
Yeah, below 66 is your... Go back to...
PTD?
I
Clap.
have
What are
like...
these candles?
I have edit, like, I added it back when I retested 40, like, for long term. So... It's not bad. Ooh.
You see the past 4 days? I would despise playing this ticker. Hello? We're actually Christmas treeing.
The best part is the contracts on both sides don't move.
Oh, nice.
So, it's gas.
Dolmy wants to go over Google. I don't know, looks good.
Almost put Google on the newsletter, actually.
Same. But
If it
like,
can
you're
break
in
this wick,
Microsoft.
it
So.
should go 300. Or if it breaks this, it should go 2,800. Yeah.
If Microsoft didn't look better, I would put Google.
Yeah, that's fair. I like Microsoft a lot more. Uber, we already covered that. That's pretty much it. Oh, Lyft? I don't want to think about this ticker, but it also looks like Uber.
I'm gonna manifest Lyft to die.
See, is there any... Timas? You have this thing going down, right?
I have alerts on both, don't I? Yeah, I have both sides. It looks okay. Both sides.
Do you see the shelf here?
Yep.
It's like sitting right at it.
Yep. Nice. It has to make a decision. I keep glancing over at futures, and they keep getting lower. But
Just
like,
don't look. Just don't look.
okay, they'll just be green tomorrow morning. It's fine.
PG looks good. Yeah, I really like PG actually. Some boomer shit, but looks like it wants to break. Or it did break. It broke, retested. So back up to 147. Yeah, I like PG and use alerts on this. And there's Unity. Unity looks like it wants to move.
Yeah. Kind of depressing since I missed it. Whatever.
It's
It's okay. It'll just keep going, right? Surely.
over 131, it's gonna fill that gap.
Do we have an alert on it?
It has a $20 gap to fill, too. No, but we can sell alerts on it.
Yeah.
Go. If futures are dying, it just means it's time to watch where Target opens up tomorrow.
True. Wait, Unity had a diamond. I didn't even notice. Yeah.
Oh shit! On
What's the
top.
measurement on this?
Unity looks so good. What is gold? Gold looks clapped. Needs to hold 17.6. This is like a huge level. If it holds 17.5. FSR clapped. Are we done with Roku? I don't know, but it looks like Roku is done with itself.
I actually really like Unity.
It looks really good. What are features?
I don't know, I haven't looked. I've just been looking at the price.
They look
Let's-
fine. As long as we don't lose like 4444.
I think we're chilling.
NIU. Dead. Actually dead. Wait, this thing is going to $9. It's gonna flop earnings too. Oh my god, look at the volume on it though. That is clapped. Okay, that's pretty much everything that I see. Anything else you want to take a look at, Shira?
No, I checked my scanner, there's nothing. Just a bunch of random pennies. INVA was okay. But I looked at the volume and I just got depressed.
Take Two looks like it wants to die. Starbucks is also worth watching. To come down. Or if it bounces here, it can go. How's oil
Every time I look
looking?
at steel, it looks good, and every time I think it looks good, it just goes up, and I never play it, so.
Oil can retest 65 one more time. China's data was not that great. Their econ data over the weekend. We have retail sales for on Tuesday, so watch Walmart and Target, Costco, Home Depot.
Lamont looks clapped.
What is that?
LMT. I don't know why I call it Lamont. But just looks like a wedge. But like the wedge is so steep that it wants to go to 0.
Looks pretty bad. It doesn't even look like it's wedging, it looks like it's crawling.
Yeah. Looking at the weekly and it's not looking too good.
We covered D-Dog earlier in the stream.
Are we posting this to the channel?
It should go up, yeah. You should be able
Okay.
to. You should be able
One
to
of the
see
higher
that.
ups of LMT left. Oh yikes. My guy cashed out near all-time high and left.
Looks like it. Alright, so that concludes our charting session. If
Crypto's
people
going crazy.
have... Oh, go ahead.
Crypto's going crazy, sorry.
It-
Yeah. Some random coins are just going.
What is going?
ADA,
It
well
is.
not ADA
It
anymore,
already
but
went.
yeah.
Automatically?
DAG. Atom looks okay, but
Sol is going. I think Luna is going to. Yeah, Luna looks really nice. Luna to
damn.
25 incoming. What about 1? Kind of wedgy, actually. Doesn't look good. Did you see Doge? Doge is going.
Nice.
See, how I know Doge is going is if I queue up for League and my chat is pumping Dogecoin, that's how I know it's moving.
Oh, okay. We're in League of Legends crypto voice or crypto chats now.
Yeah. Some guy said that he was holding from 70 cents and he's holding for $1.
70 cents.
Yep.
Huh.
I'm pretty sure this man bought at the top.
Literally the top. I really wish it ended at 69.
That would have been good. The candle
Where's
closed
Centric?
at 65. That's disappointing.
No, the candle closed at 69.
Did it? On the daily?
8th of May.
No.
Oh, wait. You're using Tether. I'm using USD.
Are you looking on the... Oh, okay. It did close at 69. It's valid. Oh, I even drew an angry cookie monster thing. Hi, angry cookie monster thing. Let's see what Doge can do. It can probably go back to 42 now. Is helium going? It's back up there. What else is... Oh, I think Rune is moving. This thing needs over 9.4.
A gassy name. What the place? Rune?
Rune.
I'd buy it just for the name.
I think the actual thing is called like Thor chain or something, so...
Oh. Kinda cringe. What happened on...
Yeah, what
in May?
happened?
I'll just ignore it. It's fine.
Have you looked at Dash, the coin? Not the stock? It moves like the stock does. I don't know what it is, but...
Jesus. Oh, May was the crypto crash. Never mind.
Oh, might have...
Crash.
Oh, did you see Raven? This coin is cursed, but it kind of moved. Looks like it's flagging. This thing can go back up to 0.2.
Isn't this what Straight was playing with Snorkel?
Yeah. This AXS does look pretty good. Oh, there's also Hot. That thing is also moving. A lot of these like altcoins are moving. I guess because like Bitcoin is holding.
And Bitcoin just go to 50k, so my Mara comes back. Thanks. 3k overnight? Not bad. So at like 6%? Doable.
Can do it.
Okay.
Okay. So that's pretty much all the charting we have. Can take questions for a couple of minutes if anyone has questions. Feel free to ask. Otherwise, we'll wrap things up.
Should add music next time.
We should do that, yeah.
Oh, it has to be non-copyright too. That's a little bit
Cringe.
sad. Okay, we can just buy copyright rights. I don't even know how much that costs though. Gee.
Oh, I don't even know how long we would have to wait for like their legal team to come back with their licensing request either.
How much do...
You guys think a correction is near? What do you think about that? I don't
No.
think at all the correction is near.
Should we start hedging? No, I was wrong last time, so.
Like, will we go down a little bit? I can see pullbacks, but correction, I don't see it in my head.
I don't know, tech looks kind of good. I don't want to
SPY
short anything.
SPY kind of just broke out. The Qs are kind of almost breaking out. The Dow is fucking moving. It's like,
Yeah.
even IWM looks like it's holding here. Looks like it's okay. IWM looks kind of bad, but
The futures?
no, like on the daily.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened to futures?
Nothing, just on my IWM.
Oh,
Thing's dead.
well, when IWM dies, it's because everyone is shorting it to get into tech, right? All in all, I'm not too worried about any sort of like big correction. At least not yet.
Costco looks pretty good. Still. Just headed to 500.
It has retail numbers on Tuesday, so I don't think it'll
So
move much before
depressing.
that.
How we played the triangle and just didn't hold. It's fine.
I got 200% off of weekly puts though. And I
Yeah,
played
but
it
like,
up after gas.
could have been like 2,000.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's whatever. It's fine. It's okay. QQ is gonna break 372 this week. And things will start moving again.
Yep.
Smile.
I mean, the SPY already broke, so things should start moving. Or at least this week it looks like things should. Great. Thank you all for coming to our inaugural YouTube stream.
Yeah. Alright, music next time.
Yep.
And that's it.
Yep, pretty much. If you guys liked our analysis, feel free to join our Discord if you're not already in there. Sign up and get more of this.
You're a small account? Yeah, soon. Once QQ breaks, which is soon, probably. I hope. Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna go eat dinner. Bye bye.
See ya. I'm like 50. Discord is a messaging service. It's in the description, so feel free to click on the link and join. Otherwise, thank you guys all for coming. Have a great morning, night, or day wherever you are. And see you guys tomorrow for the market. Good luck trading this week.